Hello, Bao. Good evening. Where are you, Bao?
Hello.
I can't see you. Oh, there you are. What is that in your background, Bao? What does it mean? Is that what is that?
It's
Viet?
my new virtual background.
Ooh, did you make it? You're the one who make it?
No, my mom.
Oh, I see. Okay, so we're gonna continue our last lesson. So we have talked about, okay, can you tell me what is compound complex sentence if you can still remember it? Bao, can you still remember? Go, open your copy.
Wait, last time I didn't write it, I think, because we
It's
need
already
time to
time.
learn.
Yeah, but I gave you the meaning. This one. Just read this one.
Compound complex sentence is a sentence with two or more independent clauses, at least one dependent clause. It
Mm.
combines it combines the compound and the complex sentence. The
Yes,
compound part
yeah.
means that it has two or more
Sentences.
or
Okay.
more complete sentences.
Yes. And then complex means it has at least one incomplete sentence. So meaning to say, Bal, if we're gonna create a sentence which is a type of a compound complex sentence, we have to consider to have two independent. Independent. Meaning to say complete, two complete, more than two at least. And then as for the complex, since it says compound complex sentence, so we have to add one incomplete sentence. Then, okay, so take note of this. So that is the main thought, okay, of having compound. So all you have to write is this one for compound complex sentence. Okay, write it first. So compound, this one, this one. This is the compound, compound, compound. And then this one is the complex.
Complex.
Yeah, so those are the only thing we have to remember about in creating a compound complex sentence. As for the complete or the compound sentence, at least two or more. So meaning to say you can create more than two. But as for complex, it was mentioned there that you will just add or include at least one. One, at least one. Okay? So we have here an example. Didn't. Okay, read our example. He is blue.
His blue eyes were light, bright, and sparkling behind half-moon spectacles, and his
Mm-hmm.
nose was very long and crooked, as though it has been broken at least twice.
Okay. Now, if you can still remember about the conjunctions, can you say, oh, no, not circle, but can you say what are those conjunctions that we have in this sentence? Can you identify the following, the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions? like those term who will connect or join two or more clause or sentences. So those are our conjunction. I think you have the copy, Bao. Conjunctions. Following examples of conjunctions in your notes. Because there's a lot of conjunctions, by the way. Okay. Like,
Like
para,
his blue eyes were light, bright, and sparkling behind half moon spectacles.
mm-hmm. Okay, so again. Let's do it again. Now, when we say conjunction, those are term. Okay, for example, we have this and. That is a conjunction. We also have another and. And also, ba, we have us. Okay? So those are some conjunction in our sentence. Now, let's say this one is our compound complex sentence, right? So can you identify, Bao? Okay, let me be first the one to identify, okay? This one, Bao, is our this one as thought it had been broken at least twice. This one is our, what do you think, Bao? Is it our compound or complex sentence?
Give me a sec.
Is it broken?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is it okay now? It's fixed?
Yeah,
Okay. Now, teacher is asking earlier this sentence. What do you think? Is it a compound or a complex one? The as thought it had been broken at least twice. Compound or complex? Compound or complex? Complex, meaning because Bao, this one is a complex one. It's because it doesn't have a complete thought. Okay, so that is why it's a complex. Yes, it's a complex sentence. Now, can we
complex.
ident yes, can we identify where is the compound? Can you say to teacher where are the compound sentence? Yeah, compound sentence or sentence have complete thought. Like you can really understand what is in the sentence. And then there are two more. Two. One plus one, two. Two sentences. Okay. How about this one? Okay, let me just uh tell you the first sentence. His blue eyes were light bright and sparkling behind half moon spectacles. Is this a complete sentence? Yes or no? His
I
blue
think
eye.
it's a compound.
Yeah, okay. Another one is, and his nose was very long and crook. So this one is continuation for his blue eyes were light, bright, and sparkling behind half moon spectacles, and his nose was very long and crooked. So as you can see, there is a subject and there is a verb. At the same time, we can understand the
Like
sentence.
his blue eyes is
Mm-hmm.
subject,
Yes.
were light, bright, and sparkling behind half
Yes.
moon spectacles
Uh-huh.
were were the
Sparkling. The sparkling.
subject.
Sparkling is the verb for the blue eyes or the eye. Okay? Bright and sparkling. Like it's shining. Yeah, it's an adverb. Okay? Got it? So those are compound. Again, okay, let's do it again. Bow. So these are the compound sentence. Okay? And as for this
Uh,
one, it's our complex. So complex. Okay? And then this one compound. Okay? So as you can see, in the compound, there are two or more because what did you observe, Bao? It's very long, right? It's very long
yeah.
sentence. Compared to our complex sentence, it's too short. And we can't really tell that it's a complete thought. There's a complete thought with on this one. And at the same time, it started with a conjunction. So that is one main factor that we can easily identify where is the complex sentence. Okay, so here, what is happening? I oh, so it's the last one. It's the last one for chapter 1. Okay. So we're gonna move on to chapter 2. So we're done with the different type of sentences. Wow. So we're gonna move on to part of speech. Are you familiar with this? Val? Parts of speech.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yes. So there are actually 9, but long time ago there are only 8. So the number 9 is the current one. So we will see what are those. So for example, about just for like an overview, noun, verb, conjunctions, those are parts of speech. So those terms that I mentioned,
So
yes,
speech has some has laws like
nouns.
compound.
No, no, no. Those are sentences. But as for the nouns, it's like a subject, right? Yes. Compound, it's the part of the sentence. But as for the noun, it's also part in the sentence, but it is only one word. As for the compound sentence, composes of different words, a lot of words. Okay? So this one parts of speech. So why is it's called part of speech? Okay, so let's let's see here. Take note the title bow. Part of speech.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So later on, I will give you a short quiz after. Like you're gonna have to choose the choices among the choices. Okay. So here, if we still have time, okay? Okay, stop. Clear drawing. So we're gonna hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So, so part of speech again, don't copy this one, don't copy this one. Just an overview. So you have here the following. Okay, write down this following bow. Noun. Okay, under the part of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb,
Verb,
adverb,
adverb, conjunction,
conjunction,
preposition,
preposition, interjection.
interjection.
Okay, so on this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are only 7. But as for the current one, we have 8, 9. So since it's missing here, let's move to another reference. Okay, is that okay? Let's move here. Okay, let me just stop share that one. Okay, this one. I'm gonna search for the grammar monster.
What?
It's a grammar monster. It's a website. And by the it's and there's a lot of topic about English there. Grammar monster. Yeah, okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, this one. I'm gonna look for part of speech here. Okay, share. Let me share my screen. Okay. So, can you see it now? La 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 la. Okay, this one bow. So these are the 9 part of speech bow on our current generation. Okay, as you can see,
It's so long.
yeah, those are examples. This one, the examples, those are examples. But the name of each of the 9 parts of speech, okay, okay, write down adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, determiners, interjections, nouns, prepositions, pronouns, and verbs. Okay, write those terms first. Okay, are you done? Write those terms first. Done writing? If ever our time will not be suited, um, we'll not gonna play
I
the
think that's very long.
yeah, it's very long because yeah. So it's the same thing if we're gonna use the other reference. Well, it's very long as well. But let's just discuss what will be suited or like can fit in our time. Okay, let's talk about first adjective. Okay, all you have to remember on this part, Bal, adjective is describe describe a noun. Okay, that's the only thing about adjective. So what are those nouns? We have name of a person, a thing, or a place. So for example here, some example of adjective, we have red, happy, enormous. So those are some example of adjectives. So it modifies a noun or a pronoun. So here, our example, okay, can you read first our example, Bao? Ask the boy.
Ask the boy in the red jumper.
Okay, now can you identify where is our noun and our
Red.
no, adjective is the red. This one. It's an adjective. Which is our noun? The red. What's this? It's a jumper.
What?
Yeah, okay. Again, because noun, okay, take note of this. Noun is a name of a person, thing, or place, or even or idea. Or thing, place, or ideas. Ideas is not very common, but it's still included or part of a noun. So this is our noun bound. So meaning to say, jumper, what is it? Is it a thing, place, or person? Jumper. It's a jumper is a thing, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So it was said earlier, adjective is it's the one who will describe. Okay, so let me just put the word describe. Describe or modifies. They have the same meaning. Describe modifies a noun or pronoun. This one, pronoun. So what are those pronouns? We have he, she, they, okay. And then,
He,
so on this sentence, Bao, as the boy in the red jumper. So our jumper is our noun. Our adjective is the word red. So meaning to say our adjective can be, okay, let's type, can be a color, size, or appearance, or the physical feature or feature. Okay, so that is, since we're talking about description, or it will describe the noun. So it might be a color, a size, a feature. Say another example, or like feelings. Okay, feelings. But this one is, it's not totally included. Anyway, so for example here, red. Red is a color. Jumper is our noun. Another one, I live in a happy place. So meaning to say, place is the place, and the person described the place as a happy place. So meaning feeling. And then this one, I caught a fish this morning. I mean an enormous one. So enormous meaning to say the person or the character is talking about the size of the our noun. What is our noun? It's the
it's the
fish.
name of a person, thing, place, or idea.
Yeah, so meaning to say on this sentence, our noun is the fish. So it will be included or considered as a thing, the fish. And then enormous, so meaning the size. It's very big, enormous, big, big fish. Okay? So you got what is meant by adjective, Bal? Got it?
Yeah.
Describe a noun. Okay, always remember that one. Describe a noun. Next, number 2. This one. So if we have adjective that would describe a noun, we also have adverb that would describe a verb.
Adverb.
Yes, very good. What is a verb, Bal? It's an action word. So that
Um.
is a
Uh.
action word.
mm,
Yes, it
what?
can be a it can be a physical, physical, physical or mental action. Okay? So that is the action word. So when we say mental action, for example, um what is it? Uh okay. Let me search some physical no no. Mental action. Mental action. Action verb. Okay, for example, imagining, thinking, dreaming. So those are mental because we're only using our brain to work. As for physical, okay, can you give me some physical action? Physical action.
Running.
Okay, running. Another. Dancing. Okay, those are physical action. Wow. Now, we have adverb. It says it describe a verb. So for example here, now where you might be confused with the word happily because earlier we have happy. Now, how about this one? Tie the knot loosely so they can escape. What is our verb? Okay, find the word first, the verb. Verb. Physical action. Verb.
Physical action.
Yes. Where is the verb on this sentence, Bao? Our action word on this sentence.
Yeah.
Which is it refers to this word loosely.
I read no loosely
Yeah, so our
so they can escape.
yeah, so our
What
verb
does that mean?
tie. Like you're gonna, if you have, okay, something like this one. Say for example, this is the thing, and then it talks about tie. So meaning you're gonna do this one. Tie, and then, okay, that is how we do tie. Okay? So it's you're going to tie a rope. Rope. Do you know what is rope? Rope? This one. This is a rope. Okay? So that is a rope. Bow. So on this sentence, we have, okay. On this
Physics.
sentence, loosely.
Oh.
So loosely describe the verb tie. So loosely, it's like it's not totally tight like this one. Loosely, if we compare loosely to tight, this one is tight and this one is loosely. Okay, so that is the adverb, and then our verb is the word tie. And then also have here, I often walk to work. Okay, where is our verb here, Bao? On this sentence, I often walk to work. Our verb. Where's the verb? Action word, action word. I often
So
walk to,
what
okay, walk.
is what is entry one intriguingly? What is intriguingly? Like
I
the
intrigue,
in
intrigue, intrigue, intriguing, intriguing,
intriguing?
intriguingly. Yes, this one. This one is intriguingly. Okay, let me just um okay. Okay, okay, wait a minute, wait a minute. Just give me a minute for you to intrigue. Intrigue. It is an intriguingly magic setting. Like you are it's very interesting. Interesting. Like you are very fascinated or curious. This one, okay. For you to understand it more. To okay. In so we have to just okay. Okay, what happened? Okay, this one. Intrigue. Can you now understand it?
Oh, intriguing.
Yeah,
Oh.
like you are interested or fascinated, okay? So you are
Mm.
amused. Okay, so wow, it's already time. We're gonna have to continue this one on our next meeting. So let's stop there. So we're gonna have to continue on what day? On Friday. So see you on Friday, Bal. Bye bye. Thank you
Okay.
for
Bye
today.
bye.
Thank you for your
Bye
effort.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
See you next Friday.
Yes, Friday.